Okay, now, let me see if I make sure I'm doing it. Okay, now tuck it, tuck it, tuck it. Get a good grip all the way around. Tuck that in. There you go. There you go. And just sit it right there. That is like really good.
Thank you.
Okay, you want to try this other? Go ahead and push those sides in.
No problem.
Put all the good stuff in there. Okay. Let's try the next one. Yeah, there you go. You gotta handle it. She is wrapping her hummus wrap. We sprouted our garbanzo beans. We made a hummus spread. This is a coconut wrap. So she's wrapped. Go ahead and tuck, 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 push, tuck. That's it. Kind of get it formatted, you know, get it in shape. That's it, girl. How good is that? Proud of yourself?
It's absolutely delicious.
Yes.
And I am the McDonald's queen. But this...
You felt that?
Yeah.
She was hesitant at first.
Loving this.
But she was a good, yes, you can't take a bite.
This is, I promise you, delicious. You want this in your life.
Shay does not eat like this, y'all. Shay does not eat like this.
I run from it.
She tried to run today. But look at her eating raw. Not only that, you're eating, what's inside of there? You're eating sprouts.
Okay.
Whatever. Yeah.
That's a really good sprout.
Yeah. Fresh sprouts. That's all right.
I want it all.
We got pictures, so they'll see what's inside. So enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.
I will.
Okay. We'll have more.